Considering starting an online business? Got an idea you're excited about? That's fantastic. But before you pour your time, energy, and maybe even money into building it out, there is one absolutely critical step you cannot afford to skip: validating your online business idea. This video is dedicated entirely to showing you why and how to effectively validate online business idea you have, saving you potential heartache and ensuring you're building something people actually want. If you're asking, is my online business idea good? This is how you find out before starting online business. Ignoring validation is one of the most common missteps when starting an online business idea. Validation isn't prioritized. People fall in love with their concept and assume everyone else will too. But without proof, it's just an assumption. Effective online business idea validation is about gathering real-world evidence that your idea solves a problem for a specific group of people and that they are willing to pay for your solution. It's about testing the online business viability before making significant commitments. This crucial step helps determine if you have a potentially profitable online business idea validation provides real data for. So, how do you actually validate your online business idea? Here are practical methods. Method 1. Talk directly to potential customers. This is arguably the most valuable method. Find people who fit the profile of your ideal customer and have genuine conversations. Ask them about the problem you think your idea solves. How are they currently dealing with it? What frustrations do they have? Listen more than you talk. Their insights are gold when trying to test online business idea. This isn't selling, it's learning if the need is real. Method 2. Utilize simple surveys or questionnaires. Online tools make creating and distributing surveys easy and free initially. Ask targeted questions about the problem, potential solutions, and willingness to pay. Share these surveys with relevant groups or individuals. While less in-depth than conversations, surveys can provide valuable quantitative data to help validate online business idea on a larger scale. Method 3. Create a minimal landing page test. Set up a very simple one-page website that describes your online business idea and its proposed solution. Include a clear call to action, like sign up for early access or join the waitlist. Drive a small amount of targeted traffic to the page, even just from your network or relevant free online communities. The number of sign-ups or expressions of interest can be a strong indicator of demand and help validate online business idea before you build the full product or service. This is a powerful way to test online business idea interest level. Method 4. Conduct targeted market research. Look at what existing businesses are doing. Are their competitors solving a similar problem? How are they marketing themselves? Analyze search trends, using free tools like Google Trends or basic keyword research to see if people are actively searching for solutions related to your idea. Market research for online business provides context and helps gauge existing demand and competition, contributing to your online business idea validation. Using a combination of these methods provides powerful evidence about your online business idea. It helps confirm if there's a real need, who exactly needs it, and if your proposed solution resonates. This validation is critical before starting online business seriously. It helps you refine your offering, understand your target audience better, and avoid investing heavily in an idea that won't gain traction. Effective online business idea validation is the bridge between having a concept and building a potentially successful online business. It's an essential step for online business beginners. Validation provides confidence and direction. So, don't just assume your idea is perfect. Take the time to validate your online business idea using these practical methods. It's the smartest investment you can make before starting online business in earnest. If understanding how to validate online business idea helps you feel more confident, please give this video a like. Ready to put your online business idea validation into practice? Subscribe for more essential guides on starting an online business and building profitable online business ideas. What validation method are you going to try first? Let me know below.